Did you know that you can make passive income with just your phone using AI? Yes, no fancy equipment, no coding skills, just DeepSeek AI and a few smart strategies that I'll show you today. You guys, having seen the way my video performed recently about AI, I got some few dollars and good dollars, as you can see on the screen. Even though I got the DMs, people asking about it, which one did I use, and it showed me that most of us, we didn't know about making money while we are sleeping. With automation, earning money online has never been easier. And today, I'm going to show you step by step how to make passive income using DeepSeek AI so you can start earning while you sleep. What I need you to do, stay till the end. Please don't only check on the title and a few minutes. Stay till the end until you get what I'm going to reveal for you. I'm going to show you the most profitable way to use this AI for consistent income. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever watching us from. This is Christine on Immaculate Show. You guys, I love you so much. As you know, Immaculate Show, we are here to make sure that we provide for you free information. We make sure that we push you to make a living with your smartphone, with your internet, and even things, your skills, things around you and within you. Having seen this, in this video we're going to see different steps. But before we show you how to make passive income with your phone and the DeepSeek AI, which is a bot, we are going to show you exactly what do you think is DeepSeek AI and how does it work. DeepSeek AI, like the way you can see on the screen, is an advanced AI tool that can generate high quality text content that is for blogs, for ebooks, for social media posts, and even it also generates AI generated arts and graphics, automation for chat box and customer services. This means that you can sell a generated content, automate tasks, and create digital products all from your phone without even going outside to outsource anything. Now, before we see how to monetize all the real ways to monetize this, I would want to take you and you see how to get the DeepSeek AI. I want you to go to your browser. When you reach your favorite browser, just type DeepSeek. When you type DeepSeek, fill in your form. After filling in your form, you can put any prompt that you want and see you get started. It is as easy as that. Let's dive in now and see what are the ways of making money, passive income with our phone and chat this. The first one is sell a generated content. You guys, you can make money on autopilot. Where can you make money on autopilot here? You can use platforms like Fiverr, you can use platform like Upwork and Etsy. What do you think you can offer here? What can you do? You can offer generated blog posts and articles on this platform, add crafted social media captions, and add copy. You can even write written ebooks and guides. When you make these books and even ebooks and guides, you sell them on platforms like Amazon and even Amazon KDP. Earning potentials are very clear here. If you open these platforms, you'll find on Fiverr, Upwork, and etc. you can earn around $10 to $200 per project, depending on your quality. Now, this is a disclaimer before we go very far, guys. When we are talking about earning money or passive income while we sleep, we are not saying it is totally free money. There is always a foundation. You have to take a first step. You have to sit before you take a step. You have to crawl and you get there. So this is the time to start foundation and start growing. So most of you have started and have dropped down because you've not seen the money coming. But the money cannot come like that. If money was to come, everyone in this world, I'm sure out of 100%, 30% have heard about it. So they would be very, very rich. So if you're listening to me right now, I want you to put on your shoes and be focused. Let's go to the second way of earning with your phone and with this DeepSeek. It is to use DeepSeek AI to create and sell digital products. I've bought digital products recently. Each product is $2, imagine. And sometimes a day I use these digital products a day, I use 2. That is $4. If it was you, and you're getting $4 or $6, okay, let's say $8 or $6 per day from one person, and you can market yourself and get even 3 people, how much will you make a month? That is awesome money. So where do you get this? How do you make this and sell the digital products? You can sell these digital products on Gumroad, on Etsy, on your website, meaning you can create your website apart from individuals like me. I outsourced. And what can you sell when you're talking about create and selling digital products? There are generated printables. Here we have journals, we have templates, we have planners, all these ones. Even you can go to the extent of stock images or art, because AI is making art. If you see recently, most of my thumbnails, it's me, but there's a touch of AI. So you can even do that. It has even gone to the extent that the graphics are going extra mile to use this. So what are you waiting for? Then also, all-powered chatbot services for businesses. Earning potential in this is you can get a passive income from $500 to $5,000 per month depending on your niche. So go ahead and do this. The third is automate passive income streams with all chatbots. How do you do it? You set up an all chatbot that provide automated customer support. Offer chatbot services to small business for a monthly fee, and monetize all-driven website with affiliate links. If you want to know much about affiliate links, you go to Amazon Affiliate Associates and click share, click bank. I have talked about it. You can check in our previous videos. Where can you sell these items? You can sell chatbot services on Fiverr, on and Upwork. And the earning potentials here is from $50 to $500 per month. Now that if you can get 5 clients, how much can it be? That is very good money. The fourth, which might be the last but not least, is monetize your AI content on social media. I've planned this. I've tried to do this in our videos on this channel. Sometimes I use AI, not sometimes, like the way you can see on our screen. This video was from AI, from A up to Z. And this one also was from AI, from A up to Z. Check the amount of it got, and it is still getting. So what are you waiting for? You can use platforms like TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, all these ones you can monetize. How do you monetize? You use DeepSeek AI to generate scripted viral videos. How do you know that it is viral videos? This is a platform, as in DeepSeek, it knows what is going viral. What I always do, I put this the prompt, like the way you can see, you can write a prompt in and save it, and it gives you what you need, what is viral. The moment it gives you what is viral, you make your content basing on that. It can make your content from scripting up to the end, up to posting. So DeepSeek all generated content, scripted virals are very good. It also creates motivational quotes, tips, or even all art. It monetizes with ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. You guys, what do you need? What really do you need apart from this? Earning potential here, it is infinity. If you want, you can start from $500 to $10,000 and beyond. Depending on your audience size, depending on your view duration, which will bring your CPM. If your CPM is high, you are going to be unbeatable. Guys, these are 4 major ways for you to make money using AI tools like DeepSeek. They are changing the way we make money online. If you use these strategies out of these 4, you can build a steady stream of passive income right from your phone. Which method are you going to try, you guys, first? I need you to comment in the comment section below, and we know which one is easier for you and which one is more comfortable with you. You can even go with 2 or 3. What really do you want? Do you want to make money with AI money making hacks? Please, if you want to do that, I would love you to go to the comment section, like this video, turn on your notification bell. You're going to be getting more and more uploads in the future to come. Thank you very much. See you in another video. Bye bye.